The very first thing that you need to do is sign in, and if you have Gmail account, you can click on sign in with Gmail or Google. I'm going to use one of the official ID I have, so I'll click on this because I have already logged in through this account in my browser, so that is why I can see that user ID in this list. So I'll simply click the user ID I'm interested in. In this case, I'm going to select this one. If it is not there, it will probably ask you to fill in your Gmail ID personally. So you can fill in your Gmail ID personally, and then you can enter the password, and then again you will come back to this particular interface. Now I'm going to click open so that it will again redirect me to the app rather than this browser. So I'll click on open, and now you can see it is now going to connect me to my account. So I'm going to cut this. I'll give it some time. Now you can see I have got one already meeting, which was a test meeting. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, and this is how it will look like initially. And before doing anything, let's have some important settings first.